Welcome, everyone. Today, we'll explore AWS Backup, a powerful and comprehensive service for managing backups across AWS resources. By the end of this presentation, you'll understand how it simplifies backup management and improves data protection. Before going ahead, I would request, please subscribe to my channel for more videos related to Linux administration, various cloud technologies, DevOps tools, and many more. So let's get started. AWS Backup is a fully managed service designed to centralize and automate backup management for various AWS services. It ensures compliance, provides robust data protection, and streamlines disaster recovery efforts. Here's an architectural overview to set the stage. Why choose AWS Backup? It offers centralized management for all your backup needs, automates scheduling, and ensures compliance with regulatory requirements. Plus, it scales effortlessly and only charges you for what you use, making it highly cost-effective. AWS Backup supports a wide range of AWS services, including EC2, EBS, RDS, DynamoDB, S3EFS, FSx, and AWS Storage Gateway. This extensive support makes it a versatile solution for different backup scenarios across your AWS ecosystem. Here's how AWS Backup works. First, you define backup plans with schedules and retention rules. Then, you assign resources to these plans. AWS Backup takes care of creating backups automatically, which you can restore to either the original or a new location when needed. We will explore more in our lab session. Security and compliance are integral to AWS Backup. Data is encrypted both at rest and in transit, and you can use IAM policies for precise access control. Integration with AWS CloudTrail ensures that all backup activities are auditable, helping meet standards like HIPAA and GDPR. Let's talk about some of the standout features. AWS Backup allows you to define comprehensive backup plans, perform cross-region backups for disaster recovery, and manage lifecycle policies to optimize storage costs. It even supports application-consistent backups for data integrity. Managing costs with AWS Backup is straightforward. You can use lifecycle policies to transition backups to low-cost storage tiers and avoid unnecessary backups. AWS Cost Explorer provides detailed cost insights, helping you optimize your backup expenses. Here are some practical applications of AWS Backup. It's ideal for disaster recovery scenarios, ensuring critical data is always recoverable. It also helps meet compliance requirements, supports dev test environments, and enables long-term data retention for regulatory needs. In conclusion, AWS Backup is a robust tool for simplifying and centralizing backup management. It ensures compliance, optimizes costs, and supports disaster recovery. To learn more, visit the AWS Backup documentation and pricing pages. Thank you for your time, and stay tuned for next videos.